Hey friends, a lot of people wish to know what virtual RAM or VRAM is and how you can check it or modify it. So it basically is a dedicated type of memory on your graphics card used for storing image data or rendering on a monitor. Please do not think that it equates to actual physical RAM, and if you need a RAM you will have to buy more RAM. Now search for performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to advanced, you'll find virtual memory here. Click on change and then you will be allowed to change. Like if you turn the switch off, you will be allowed to change it to a custom size and change the values to whatever you want to, and then click on OK to set it. I prefer to keep it at automatic so that I don't screw up with my system. And other than this, I will always suggest you to buy more RAM for your system if your system can allow it. Virtual RAM is not an alternative for that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.